Start by filling nail holes immediately after installing baseboards to keep the finish seamless and professional. Use a high-quality solvent-based or water-based wood filler matched to the baseboard material and allow the manufacturer recommended drying time before sanding. For painted baseboards, use a paintable filler that is slightly overfilled so you can sand it flush without creating low spots. Apply filler with a small putty knife or a stiff plastic scraper, pressing firmly to remove air pockets, and then wipe the excess with a damp cloth while it is still wet to reduce sanding. For stained or natural wood finish, choose a color-matched filler or use a wood filler that accepts stain and test on scrap to confirm color absorption. If exact matching is critical, use a tiny dab of stain on the cured filler and blend with a fine brush. After curing, sand with a fine grit sanding block using light, even strokes along the length of the baseboard to avoid creating waves, and check your work by running a hand along the surface to feel for dips. Finally, clean dust with a tack cloth and apply 1 or 2 thin coats of touch-up paint or finish, allowing full drying between coats and feathering each coat slightly beyond the repair so the patch disappears. Common mistakes include over-sanding, which leaves depressions and requires refilling, so sand lightly and check progress frequently. Another issue is using the wrong filler for the finish, which can prevent proper paint adhesion or stain matching. So choose a filler specified for painted or stained applications and test on a scrap piece before the final repair. People also skip cleaning dust before painting, which causes a rough patch. So always remove dust with a tack cloth and wipe with a slightly damp rag if necessary before coating. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work. And our site includes a discussion community where people share tips and ask real-world questions about finishing details like nail hole repair. We connect homeowners and contractors while providing a place to discuss techniques, products, and real project experiences.